अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की वीडियो में हम पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी एंड एनटीएसटी एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जनरल नॉलेज एमसीक्यू के पार्ट 2 को डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच डेजर्ट इज लार्जेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड? ऑप्शन ए सहारा डेजर्ट, ऑप्शन बी अरेबियन डेजर्ट, ऑप्शन सी गोबी डेजर्ट, ऑप्शन डी एंटार्क्टिक पोलर डेजर्ट। The correct answer is D. Antarctic Polar Desert. Explanation. The Antarctic Polar Desert is the largest desert in the world, covering an area of approximately 14 million square kilometers. Next question is, what is the name of longest river in the world? The correct answer is option B, Nile River. Explanation. The Nile River, located in Africa, is generally considered to be the longest river in the world, flowing for approximately 6,650 kilometers. Question. The United Nations was officially established in which year? Option A 1919, Option B 1945, Option C 1950, Option D 1962. The correct answer is option B 1945. The UN was established on October 24, 1945 after World War II to promote international cooperation and prevent future conflict. यूएन इस्टेब्लिश तो हुई थी 1945 में, लेकिन अक्सर ये क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि पाकिस्तान ने यूएन को यानी यूनाइटेड नेशन को कब ज्वाइन किया था। तो इसका आंसर ये है कि पाकिस्तान 30 सितंबर 1947 को यूएन का मेंबर बना था। Question. Which of the following countries is not a permanent member of UN Security Council? Option A, China. Option B, France. Option C, Japan. Option D, Russia. The correct answer is Japan. Explanation. The 5 permanent members of the UN Security Council are China, France, Russia, and the UK, and the United States. Question. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Option A, China. Option B, Japan. Option C, Thailand. Option D, South Korea. The correct answer is option B, Japan. Explanation. The name Japan in Japanese is Nippon or Nihon, which literally means the sun origin, leading to the popular name Land of the Rising Sun. Question. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The correct answer is option C, Leonardo. Explanation. The Mona Lisa is half-length portrait painted by Italian artist Leonardo. Question. What is the currency of Switzerland? Option A, Euro. Option B, franc. Option C, pound. Option D, dollar. The correct answer is option B. Question. The largest volcano on earth is? The correct answer is option C, Mauna Loa. Explanation. Mauna Loa, located in Hawaii, is the largest submarine volcano in both mass and volume, covering a large part of the island of Hawaii. Question. The Cold War was geopolitical conflict primarily between? Option A, the United States and China. Option B, the United States and Soviet Union. Option C, the United States and Germany. Option D, the United States and Japan. The correct answer is option B, the United States and Soviet Union. Explanation. The Cold War was a period of geopolitical tension between the Soviet Union and its satellite state and the United States with its allies, lasting from the end of World War II until the early 1990s. Question. The Suez Canal connects which two bodies of water? Option A, the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. Option B, the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. Option C, the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean. Option D, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The correct answer is option B, the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. Explanation. The Suez Canal is an artificial sea level waterway in Egypt that connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea, providing the shortest maritime route between Europe and the lands around the India and Western Pacific Ocean. Question. Who was the first person to circumnavigate the globe? Option A, Christopher Columbus. Option B, Vasco da Gama. Option B, Ferdinand. Option D, Marco Polo. The correct answer is option C, Ferdinand. Explanation. Ferdinand Magellan led the first expedition to sail around the world, although he was killed in the Philippines during the voyage. The expedition was completed by John Sebastian Elcano. Question. The United Nations Security Council has 5 permanent members with veto power. Which of the following is not a permanent member? Option A, China. Option B, France. Option C, Japan. Option D, United Kingdom. The correct answer is option C, Japan. Explanation. The 5 permanent members of the UNCS are China, France, Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Next question is, the Eiffel Tower is located in which city? Option A, London. Option B, Rome. Option C, Berlin. Option D, Paris. The correct answer is option D, Paris. Explanation. The Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron lattice tower on the Champ de Mars in Paris, France. Question. What is the highest mountain peak in Africa? The correct answer is option B, Mount Kilimanjaro. Explanation. Mount Kilimanjaro is a dormant volcano in Tanzania and is the highest mountain in Africa. Question. The Suez Canal connects which two bodies of water? Option A, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Option B, the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. Option C, the Black Sea and Caspian Sea. Option D, the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The correct answer is option B. Question. Who is known as the founder of the modern Olympic Games? Option A, Baron. Option B, Aristotle. Option C, Plato. Option D, Alexander the Great. The correct answer is option A, Baron. Explanation. Baron, a French educator and historian, was the founder of International Olympic Committee and is considered the father of modern Olympic Games. Question. Who is the author of novel 1984? Option A, Aldous. Option C, George Orwell. Option C, Ernest Hemingway. Option D, William Golding. The correct answer is option B, George Orwell. Explanation. 1984 is a classic dystopian social science fiction novel by English writer George Orwell, published in 1949. तो ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस बर वक्त आप तक पहुंच सके। और कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी बताएं कि आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक पर चाहते हैं। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।